Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD Forex setups for today. So yeah, the buyers are definitely trying to take control here. You can see with this 1 8-hour bar, we'll get to the lower time frames now. Let's see the massive tail here, and that was coming off some structure lower down at 106771. So not convinced yet of anything. This was just a data move at the moment that happened. We've got more data coming out today, and you can see we do have some fairly strong overhead resistance above us here at 107232. So tails the upside, tails the downside. Still looks like barbed wire. It's still grinding higher, but I don't trust it. Look, we still below the 150 EMA as well, and look, my oscillator's starting to get to the other side. To the top, sorry, and have separated as well. So any rollover here could be fairly interesting. If we start looking at the 3-hour, moving averages have crossed over, and look, 150 is in this zone as well. So from a 3-hour perspective, I'd want to see us get well above here, then come back and test 107232. That would indicate to me that we have a long brewing. Now, again, pin bar, there's my pin bar, and that was the rejection, and there's another little pin bar just a little bit above that. And if I probably swing left, I'm almost guarantee you that there will be pin bar structure. I mean, let's put this one in. That's going to mean something, guaranteed. Yeah, look at that, look how close it was to that one. Anyway, what we're looking for is not to get involved with big ups and big downs like this. So granted, the trend was to the upside. We had a strong area of support here, but that was the previous day's low as well. So, you know, when you break above the day's high, normally you expect it to come back, test something in the middle here, and then move up. But there was data, and then I have no idea what happened after that. Definitely not earnings. But yeah, for me, I think the wise decision is to just wait this out. Wait until something transpires that's actually going to give us something worth trading, because this is just going to hurt you. The 1 hour, the trend is definitely to the upside. There's no two ways about that. It's just a messy trend. From a 15-minute perspective, just have a look at that. So you were in an uptrend, moving up, massive move down below the moving averages, massive move up above the moving averages, and then we're just drifting sideways at the moment. So if I was to trade this, if I was forced to trade this, put it that way, I think I would wait for a break of 107284, build a base there, and in fact I'd also want to see a break of 107400 before looking for anything on this. Don't trust it. I really don't trust what's going on. And these tails, the upside, tails, the downside, like this, it's just confusion. So that's all it is. And if you look at this on the daily, you can see lots of tails, more tails to the downside than the upside. But this to me is just starting to look like a bit of a flag. So it's almost like we're waiting for some big event to happen that's just going to drive the dollar through the roof, and this thing's going to crash. That's kind of what it looks like to me on the higher time frame. So I'm very reluctant to chase anything at the moment. Too much support below me and too much resistance ahead of me right now. So yeah, I think we'll stick to the DAX and the S&P 500 today. We'll leave everything else alone. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.